I think I'm truly speechless. From sky-high viewpoints to gigantic complex of temples and statues, and the most gorgeous sunset on the river you can ever get. I think I'm in love with this place. So let's see what's left of Ninh Binh. This is actually my second day in Ninh Binh, or should I say more in Tam Coc, which is where you want to stay. You don't want to stay in Ninh Binh if you're coming here. And because Tam Coc is pretty close, I'm close of everything. Next on the hit list is the Bai Dinh Temple or Pagoda. I hear it's like pretty huge. You already get here by car. As of right now, we're in Bai Dinh Pagoda. It's kind of huge. So, guess now we are in the monk hut. How good it feels to be like just walking in the shadow with like some breeze. Here it's so whoa. Like you can feel like the sun literally like burning the skin. So hopefully we see some nice stuff. I heard this is like a pretty long visit, so check this. So, just finished visiting the Bai Dinh Pagoda, and it was truly exhausting, not only because of the heat, but also because the site is so huge. You have steps, so many steps to go up if you want to reach the big tower and the big Buddha statue, and then you have so much to see everywhere. But it's a great site to visit. So now I have to head back as quick as I can to Tam Coc before sunset. So it's 35 kilometers back there, and I guess I'll park my motorbike and jump right in the boat if I can manage to get on time. The whole trip is around 1.5 hours, 2 hours long. The price is 200,000 dongs for the boat and the entrance on the site. One quick tip, I decided to come here just before closing time, which is 5 p.m. Like this you can enjoy the boat alone by yourself, and there are not so many other boats or people on the river, and you can enjoy a more quiet trip, and the journey is much appreciated as the sun goes down with this beautiful sunset on the river. Boats are driven in the traditional way, meaning the rowers perform with their feet instead of their hand. That's a must-see. Okay, here we are, Armoire Cave. So the cave has nothing exceptional, but now we're starting the 500 steps walk to the mountain top. Of the viewpoint is awesome. Go. Now we are in the Lotus Garden. Yeah. Just came down from the mountain. That was a nice walk. Now let's see this garden. Here we are, the Bich Dong Pagoda. It's pretty neat. It's pretty quiet, lost in the nature. Now we are at one of the famous pagodas here, and what I like about here and about Ninh Binh in general is like you get through the pagoda, and I mean you think you're over, it's nice, yeah, and here you just pay for parking, but you don't pay an entrance. You get to see like those pagoda, and when you think it's over, then you get to this cave where you can like see more stuff. Then you get through the cave, and then like after you're through the cave, you get to this place where you get to see like the view and the actual pagoda, which is like kind of stuck in the rock, which is pretty awesome, pretty amazing to see. And same, when you think you just finished, there's more to it. And so you go through the pagodas, you go through the cave, up the mountain, you get to a little house. And when you're done with that, from the parking of the motorbikes, like when you're in front of the lake, just go on the right of the temple. There's like some hidden path, and this will get you to this lake and this beauty. So what's pretty amazing about this place is like just 7 minutes drive from Tam Coc. Then you get all the nature just for you. This. Let's go back on the road.
So this might be the last stop for us in Ninh Binh, the Thung Nam Ecotourism Park, also called like in the guidebook like the bird park. I see the price and I see like 150,000 dongs. It's kind of expensive, but let me tell you what I think about this place. When you come to the entrance, you get inside and you get another cave, which is pretty sweet. They take you by boat and it's one of the longest I've been to since I'm here. But that was nice, yeah, nice experience. Then you walk, you get like another cave, which is the mermaid cave. The one we had like to crawl, but this one also is pretty neat. I don't know if you can see all this, but I was on it, I couldn't stand up. I had like literally to walk like this for the first 200 meters. This is nice. Wow, this is a pretty nice cave. And then you end up like here where you have like this beautiful flower garden. Then you get like, you have to continue walk to the bird section. Welcome back, guys. So that's it for this wonderful Ninh Binh, and to conclude, I would say this is definitely a must-see. So I hope you enjoy what we got to see. If you like the content, push the thumbs up button and please feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And next episode we'll go to Hue Imperial City. Until then, take care, go experience the world, and always remember to just go with the flow.